In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Epson WF-2910 printer. So if you're having issues connecting to the Wi-Fi or you just want to sell it, then this is how to reset it. Come to the front of the printer and you'll see that you have 12 settings. Press the right arrow key until you get to the 6th setting. This one, press OK. And then you'll have another 12 settings. Press on the right arrow until you come to the 11th setting, which says restore default settings. Press OK. And then we're going to press the right arrow key once again until you get to the 5th setting. It says clear all data and settings. Press OK. And then press OK to confirm. And the process is going to take around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then the printer will be reset. If you're doing this because you're struggling to connect to the Wi-Fi, then taking out the power cable at the back for 5 minutes might also work.